Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to migrate your blogger website from one domain to another domain. It is too much easy and simple to move your all the contents from one blogger website to another blogger website. Okay, so it is too much easy to transfer all the contents. So for example, now we can see here I am inside the blogger dashboard. So if I click here, now you can see here I have totally four so one two three four, yeah, I have four blogger website. So in this time, so I have a website. The website is the my note sorry I think my blog is the nucleuscrack.blogspot.com. Okay, so this is my website. Okay, so I want to transfer all the data from this nucleuscrack.blogspot.com to another website. Okay, so that website is, just wait for a moment, so I'm just clicking here, and if I click in this website, so now we can see here I think there is nothing. So if I went inside here, now you can see here is something, right? Okay, so here is some notes. So I think I will create another block. So in this time I'll go to in the new block and I'll give a title. So online exam online exam block website. Okay, then I'm just clicking in the next and I'm choosing the website address. So I'm just using onlineexambook.blogspot.com. So it is not available, so online exam box, the online exam box.blogspot.com. So I'm just saving it. So now you can see here I have created a new blog and there are no posts. So if I click in the view blog, so now you can see here there is nothing and it's empty, right? So I want to transfer all the contents from the uh, from online exam blog website. Okay, so from the question paper, so guys, I want to transfer my all the contents which is available inside my this blogger website. So I want to transfer. So for this one, just go to in the setting. Okay, so after going the settings, so now you can see here there are different kind of settings available. So just you have to go in the down. Okay, so you have to go down. Okay, so I'm again going down. Yeah, now you can see here is a option available, that is manage block, right? So first of all you have to backup content. So to download all your contents, so just click in the backup content and click in the download. So it will take little bit time to download your all the content. So it's now you can see here my download is complete. So I need to import those all my contents from. So first of all I am going in my another blog. So I am just transferring all the contents from here to in this site online exam blog. Okay, so in the settings, just go to here and go to again in the manage content. Yeah, now you can see here inside the manage block there is another option available, that is import content. So if I click in the import content and just click in the I am not a robot, then click in the import. So after clicking in the import, just I think there are various kinds of things also. So I'm clicking the downloads. So now you can see here this is my contents. So I'm just opening this one. So now you can see here in the bottom side, the all the contents is inputting. from my previous website in my new website. Okay, so now you can see here all the contents are inside in my website. Okay, so still and there is no contents. What's happening here? So I think it's not. Yeah, now you can see here there are all the posts available. Okay, so I am refreshing this one. So now you can see all the posts available inside in this online exam box.blogspot.com. Okay, so it is too much easy to transfer or transfer all the contents from one blogger website to another blogger website. So you can migrate all the contents from one blogger website to another blogger website in this way. So hoping that you get few ideas. So if you get some knowledge from this video, please share this video to among the people who are trying to learn this kind of things, and maybe this video will help them also, and it will give me some motivation also. Okay, so I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.